Hi guys, this is Chelly with Bead here. Today, I will be showing you how to use our beginner kit. Our beginner kit includes Dehydrator, Bonder, Cover Bad and Bougie, Crystal Clear, Acrylic Glitter number 135, Nail Liquid, and Non-Wipe Top Coat. I'm going to apply my Dehydrator. Next is my Bonder. For this nail, I'm going to be using the Acrylic 135. And this will be a cute ombre with this glitter. Super beginner friendly. I'm starting out with my glitter at the tip of my nail. Slightly fading it in. Now I'm using the Cover Bad and Bougie. Grabbing my first bead, placing it at the middle. Dragging it down to fade it in with my glitter. So as you guys can see, I wait till my first bead matted out a bit so I can start placing my second bead or my following beads, making sure I will not create that marbling effect. With the tip of my brush, slightly pushing it in towards the cuticle without touching the cuticle. Gently clean the excess acrylic from the sidewall. Lastly, I make sure I apply my Crystal Clear in my blend so I can cap it and make sure I do not remove my glitter. Now let's wait till that dries out and we're going to start our filing. Now I'm starting my filing and shaping. If you hear this, that means your acrylic is set and is ready to start filing. Now we have to place our hand file always nice and straight. The best way to use it is using your pointer as a guide, making sure you grab the skin with your finger, pull it back so you don't cut the client, and gently start filing up and down. We will do the same thing on the other side. Now, nice and straight. Nice and straight. Place your file nice and flat. Go over the top. Now make sure you blend in all those sides. That way you can get the perfect shape every time. To seal my cuticle, I highly recommend using the fine 5-in-1 bit. I'm gonna go close enough to the cuticle. I can actually touch it because it won't harm it. This is a fine bit, perfect for that. I've already buffed my nail, now I'm gonna apply top coat. I'm applying a little bit of alcohol, making sure to cleanse the surface. We need to make sure there's no type of oils. I'm getting close to the cuticle without touching. And wipe down. Just make sure for a final cure, we cure for 60 seconds and we're done.